This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by steve.dreybus. Come see this completely renovated 3-bedroom-like new home with an open floor plan on a private setting just minutes from Buckroe Beach. Fresh and clean with new floors, kitchen, carpet, lights, and bathroom. In recent years, HVAC system was converted from gas to electric and new windows installed. Plenty of yard space for kids to play in. Quiet setting tucked off private road. For more information, review the details below.